jalapeno poppers for breakfast. What is this madness?
It's a way to start your day. The hot
Spicy
way, yeah.
It's a spicy
That's a
meatball.
This guy's incorrigible.
Welcome, guys. Welcome to the set. I'm CJ. This is CJ's first cooking show. Right over there is Nate. Right over there is Ethan. Right over there is Andy.
Howdy.
And today I'm going to show you a delicious. It's kind of like an appetizer for breakfast,
Yeah, because
but
that's what
also
everyone
could
wants.
be. I know nobody.
Although
Why not?
breakfast for dinner, I'd eat these at dinner time.
Yeah, this is. It
Would
could be an
not
entire
eat these
dinner.
at the beginning of my day.
Either way, everybody loves jalapeno poppers.
True.
I'm going to show you how to pivot and have this for breakfast.
The breakfast pivot?
What'd you do?
With every good breakfast, you have to have a couple of good
Jalapenos.
It has that squiggly line over the end.
proteins is what I was going to
Spicy
say.
Oh.
So, bacon and sausage. Today we happen to be doing both. We get to be involved in both categories of deliciousness. So, I've got my Blackstone. It has been preheating at a medium, I'd say it's
Medium-ish.
solid.
Medium.
Medium.
That's
Oh,
a
dude,
pull.
I love sausage, but
There's no sexy way to do that.
There's zero sexy way to do that.
Uh-uh.
Buzz your girlfriend. Woof.
Now, let's give this a good smash.
Give it a whopper.
Give it a whopper, and then we're gonna let that cook down for a minute because if you didn't know this,
Oh,
if
you
this is
always
your
do this
first
trick.
time,
It's a good trick.
Yes, it's a good trick,
You're
but it's not for
managing.
flipping. You can cut it up a lot easier once it's had time to cook a little bit, so it's not sticking. You can start a delicious process. Now, jalapeno poppers.
Gotta have the pepper.
Gotta have jalapenos. Let's see.
Oh, wow, you weren't kidding.
No, never.
He didn't drop a single ball.
Jalapenos. It's
You have to overly articulate the enya.
what? Do you have to under articulate the enya?
Yeah.
Jalapenos?
You know I don't speak Spanish. In English, please.
Why, dude?
Because it's an N. And I'm not Spanish.
Forget it.
I will forget it.
It has the squiggly line above it, right?
Yes.
So it's technically not an N.
Do you ever write
Oh,
the
it's an
squiggly
Enya.
line? That's what
not
I said.
Not Enya like the band.
Oh,
Not-
Enya.
Another pro tip here: get large jalapenos, as large as you can. You don't have to, but you'll be thanking yourself later because you'll be loaded up with all kinds of goodies. Let's just do this. Come on, jalapenos.
making cups.
We're making little cups. We're hollowing them out. They're like little caverns, little caves.
I'm a fan of the heat and all the heats in the seeds and the pith.
Well, we might be chopping some up later to get a little
Aw.
bit of that heat.
For me?
But, well, for you, sure. But speaking of hot or heat,
Thanks.
not you.
Oh.
It is officially that time to bring in the new crew. What up, everybody? If you are a new subscriber, a new watcher, let me know down in the comments below. So here today, starting off, we've got Dr. WKU. We've got Alex Balderson. We've got Lord Chugga.
Lord Chugga.
We've got
Your Highness.
Michelle Gallego, or yeah, I think that's right. And here we got one more, last one. We got Sherry Jones.
Hey, Sherry.
Yes, sir.
Hello, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome
To the party. Also, if you didn't know it, every time the bell rings, we take a
Angel
sip.
gets
So
his
find
wings.
yourself something delicious to sip on. I'll let you guess what's in mine.
Apple juice.
Our sausage looks done. I'm gonna chop that up a little bit more, slide it off to our cold
It is a
end.
good trick because like it's easy to.
It's way
I wanna
way
chop it.
easier.
Oh, blah, blah, blah.
Now, come on back this way. We're gonna grab some
Easy for
eggs
you to
here.
say.
I've got 1,
Quavo.
2, 3,
Jeez.
and 4.
Hey, speaking of counting, hey CJ, did you know?
How to get to Sesame Street. How to get to Sesame
That was the transition. Wow.
Transition. We may
Okay.
or may not have planned it out. Did you know that the Count isn't the only Count there is?
What?
He actually has another lady friend called Count Von Backwards who likes counting, but she likes counting backwards.
Wait! Wait! Do not let him count!
Really interesting fact. Hey, CJ, did you know?
How to get to Sesame Street. How to get to Sesame
the Count is not the only one that has a duplicate. That in an episode in 1974, Bert has a twin brother.
What?
Named Bart.
Good heavens!
No way.
Hey, C, did you know? Corduroy was actually invented in 200 AD in ancient Africa.
What?
Yeah, ancient Egypt is amazing. It wasn't until later when it became popular in French culture where they started calling it corduroy.
Shut up.
Cord of the king, hence its Egyptian roots.
You just came up with all of that, right?
Dude,
Nah, dude.
this freaking guy over here is walking like an Egyptian. Oh! CJ for the win! There we go. Hope y'all enjoyed. Back to the eggs. One egg. Two eggs. This is Jenna, Oh, I got it.
Yeah.
I snagged it. Eggs are also a staple part of every breakfast. Well, not every breakfast, but
Yeah, ask Ryan Hoagland.
oh,
I was on his live the other day.
dude, I was too.
That dude knows how to make eggs.
That guy.
That's mint.
We've also got a nice pinch of salt. We've got a nice pinch of pepper.
3 out of 4 ain't bad.
That was 4 though,
That's what I said, 3 out of 4.
but I seasoned all 4.
That's what I said.
Booby traps! Crash!
It's low hanging fruit.
All right, we're gonna ring it and bring it. Oh, we got some questionable weather.
Uh-oh.
Seems to be a brewing.
Seems questionable to me. It's fine, honey.
Whoa! Oh, jeez.
We're gonna come back when the eggs are done.
Hurry, 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 hurry!
My scrambled eggs are definitely done. I'm gonna go ahead and season this with some Hatch Chili and Cheddar from Blackstone.
Oh, you're a
This
sucker for that
is,
one.
I love it, dude. And now it's time to go into the bowl because it's time now to build. That simple, my friends. Eggs go in. I've got some sausage that's going in.
Rain's coming, dude.
I know. I've got some softened cream cheese. Got some sharp Got some sharp cheddar.
Today, Junior!
And of course, we've got our chopped, diced, minced jalapeños.
Pretty much you like put it all, make it all separate.
A big O
throw it in
pinch
a
of salt and
bowl.
pepper, put it in a bowl. I'm gonna mix it all up,
Yeah.
and the heat from the bacon and the eggs is gonna make that cream cheese get soft. And then we're loading these up into jalapeños that we've hollowed out.
I don't think I've ever
Again,
seen eggs. I've never seen eggs in this.
I've never done a breakfast one of this. It's fantastic. In theory, of
In
course. In theory. Load all of our hollowed out jalapenos, wrap them in, this is a pro move, 2 pro moves.
Uh-oh.
Large jalapenos.
1.
Thin sliced, thin bacon.
Okay.
Not thick cut bacon.
Yes.
Thin
One of the
bacon.
only times you use thin bacon.
This is exactly one of those times.
Once
And
you
then-
start, you can see it even stretches further.
Yep, that's ideal. Get a
Yeah.
toothpick, tuck it, roll it, shoot it, kaboot it. Definitely shoot. And this rocks today. I don't know.
That ain't it.
Now let's give our Blackstone a little love. Gonna clean this off. Cleaning's so
little
simple.
love.
Just scrape it
A
away.
little Courtney love.
So glad you could make it.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Okay.
And then down she goes. A little bit of olive oil. Face first. I guess it's the face.
Face first.
Face first. Face off. Put them down however you want to. We're gonna rotate these every now and then. We definitely want to get
Dude,
them on the
thinner
sides.
bacon cooks faster.
This is, yes, it
Real
does.
fast.
And you do want to pull these off to let them drain for just a moment on some paper towels. And when you do put them down on the paper towels, flip them over so you drain on both sides, and they are ready to plate. Put them on a beautiful plate. Stack them high in the sky, and post dust.
Appetizers for breakfast.
Actually, you know what? Before I stack them, I'm gonna put some tahini as a post dust.
Another pro
Then they're
move.
stacked, and
Go gentle. It's
if you
intense.
want, you've got some hot sauce. See how this goes. But either way, dude, look at that.
No way I'm eating this for breakfast.
Stuffed.
I'm excited to eat
Breakfast
it.
jalapeno poppers.
Okay.
These turned out gorgeous, and I
did.
feel like the sauce at the end, the post dust of the tahini, dude, like these
Little
are beautiful.
Dabs of hot sauce.
Little dabs of.
You would start your day with this?
I don't know. I'm gonna find out if I would start my day with this. Let's see how we did.
Here we go. Ah, bacon came off nice. Cooked nicely.
Oh, dang. Andy,
Does it taste like breakfast, or does it just taste like
Andy,
jalapeno
get one.
popper?
Get one.
Oh, we're getting a second opinion here?
Bro, the jalapenos softened up just enough. Oh,
Oh, his bacon didn't.
oh, don't forget your toothpick.
Thanks, bud.
Yeah.
Oh,
My bad. Try that again without the toothpick.
With
How-
the toothpick, it
how
was
hot
pretty
is
good.
it?
No,
With
it's
the
not hot
toothpick
at all.
was good. Yeah, these are tame.
Toothpick?
Darn it! I was hoping I could get away with it not being there.
Yeah, for your...
Oops, I'm sorry. I'm just throwing it at you. Those are awesome, man.
That's a
It's
winner.
breakfast for dinner. Come on, let's be real. No one's eating that for breakfast.
No,
It'd be great at a tailgate party.
you might have those at dinner.
You'd have to be a lunatic.
You might have those at breakfast, or you might have them at all forms of food.
At all.
Yeah.
Noonsies, secondsies, what's it?
Don't think he knows about second breakfast, Pip.
Noonsies?
Elevensies.
Luncheon, afternoon tea, dinner, supper. He knows about them, doesn't he?
These are so awesome. Turned out better than I even thought. Take the toothpicks out so you don't kill your friends. But the bacon held together.
Yeah,
Crispy
they're-
bacon.
They're gorgeous, too. I like it.
Let me know how I did in the comments. And speaking of comments,
Uh-oh.
it's
You made
time. You are here. Welcome to CJ's favorite comments this week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Welcome to the party, my friends. This is the segment of the show where we screenshot comments from you, the viewers.
true.
If you guys write it,
We read it.
That's right, and then we have some fun with it.
Sometimes.
And speaking of fun, we do have some fun.
Okay.
This comes from Texas Jet Pilot.
Hey, Texas Jet Pilot. I hope he's actually a jet pilot.
That'd be so awesome.
Yeah.
This is kind of long, not too long. Greetings from Texas to the three of you. Sorry, this is pre-Andy.
That's okay.
Yeah. Still trying to figure your way around here.
Trying to figure it out.
Let's find this place.
I've been watching your videos for some time and want to let you know how much I enjoy the mix of cooking and fun. As a cook for our Houston Texans tailgate, cooking for 50 to 70 people every
Dang,
home
okay.
game, I love our Blackstone equipment and all the pointers y'all have brought up in your shows. Don't change a thing, no matter what the other short-sighted people have to say. Y'all rock. So
Nice.
the-
Where's that?
yeah, the
what
Houston-
stadium? I want to go.
like, seriously.
Can we go?
Can we come and cook with you?
Yeah.
Let me know, Texas Jet Pilot.
Can I come?
Nope.
Nope.
Oh, no.
He mentioned 3. You would be a bother at this point. Dude, let's go tailgate with these
Yeah,
guys and
okay.
like make an episode.
Yeah, I'm down.
Let us know.
Hey, let us know in the comments.
Robin Drew 3471 comes in saying, Richard 212 is right. Nate should not backseat cook.
I don't backseat cook.
I found your shirts in 10 seconds. I would have bought one, but Nate is on it.
Whoa.
Yeah,
That's so rude.
I get it though.
What? Why do you get it?
Because
Why do you get it? Why is that funny?
I don't know.
Okay, let's stay in the same lane here.
Oh, geez.
James,
The wrong lane.
James Weems says, looks
Do not enter.
good. The guy behind the camera needs to up his comedy game.
Yeah, Ethan. Talk to you, bud.
Sorry, E. You're not funny.
He's posing over there. Look at this corduroys.
Dude, he's posing like an Egyptian.
That was so funny.
Don't apologize. It was funny.
Okay, James Weems.
James Vanderbeek, it's fine. I've seen your crying face.
This one comes in from, you know what? I'll
Uh-oh.
wait. I'll hold off before I say the name. Comment is, great episode. More Ethan.
Oh, no. Corduroy King over there.
He's got a fan. Peter Pan's
Scott's kid?
Ethan's Scott's fan. This is
Fan.
from
Fan. He's got fan.
This is from Esty Stevenson. Thank you, Esty. I will ring it and bring it.
All right.
Oh, that
Everyone
was a
calm.
preemptive ring.
Were you rushing or were you dragging?
Everyone
Excited over there on the bell.
Everyone relax.
Slow down, guy. Oh, this is a fun one. Douglas Downing says,
Junior?
Yep.
He's back.
he's always here. He never left.
Hey, bud.
I'm definitely going to try this one. But I thought, where are the mushrooms? Then I
Yeah.
realized,
Me too.
you aren't a very fun guy.
Oh. Yeah, okay. All
right. Oh, now he's running late. Still verklempt over there.
Now, are you a rusher, or are you a dragger, or are you gonna be on my?
Let's wrap this delightful dish up with one more comment. This one comes in.
Is it a good one? Nice
from
one.
My dear mama, Roxanne Fraser.
Oh, Mama Frage.
She says, "Hey CJ, did you know that Ethan is number one? So please don't pick on number one because that is a
What does
special
that mean?
place of honor.
Wait, you're not number one to your mom?
He is number one for a reason. She's referring to number one grandson, definitely not number one child. We all know that out of the three, my oldest sister, my big bro, and me,
No, it's Ethan.
I'm definitely number one.
It's a corduroy kid over there.
Mama, I love you.
Where am I on
Ethan,
the list?
You're
Mama?
not even on the list.
What?
Sorry, dude.
What?
List is full.
What? What?
I do appreciate you guys hanging out. You got to try this one. This is a banger. I promise
Surprisingly
you,
good.
you will polish off the entire plate like that.
Dave, I know.
Everybody's gonna love it. Crowd pleaser for sure. If you want to put something up here on the OG board,
Join the gang.
Be sure to slide up into my DMs. Let me know, and I'll give you an address. Also, be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com for this
that.
recipe and tons of others. Also, go to griddlenation.com
Say
so you
less.
can find some swag and some shirts and stickers and things. And if you are brave enough, you can pursue the less traveled road to find a Nah Dude shirt.
I've
and then
yet to
it's a
see a
party with
picture
Nate
of someone
from
wearing one.
CJ.
Yet.
Yeah,
It's kind of hard to find. You gotta look. You gotta dig.
Apparently, somebody found it and didn't want it because
Yeah.
you were there.
That's just not even true.